The dialects of Macedonian comprise the Slavic dialects spoken in the Republic of Macedonia as well as some varieties spoken in the wider geographic region of Macedonia. They are part of the dialect continuum of South Slavic languages that joins the Macedonian language with Bulgarian to the east and Serbo-Croatian to the north. The precise delimitation between these languages is fleeting and controversial. Macedonian authors tend to treat all dialects spoken in the geographical region of Macedonia as Macedonian, including those spoken in the westernmost part of Bulgaria, whereas Bulgarian authors treat all Macedonian dialects as part of the Bulgarian language. Prior to the codification of Standard Macedonian in 1945, the dialects of Macedonia were for the most part classified as Bulgarian. In Greece, the identification of the dialects spoken by the local Slavophone minority with either Bulgarian or Macedonian is often avoided, and these dialects are instead described simply as Slavic, Dopia, Staroski and Nazinski. Linguistically, the dialects of Macedonia in the wider sense can be divided into Eastern and Western groups based on a large group of features. In addition, a more detailed classification can be based on the modern reflexes of the Proto-Slavonic reduced vowels, vocalic sonants and the back nasal. That classification distinguishes between the following three major groups: dialects, northern dialects, western group, lower Palog dialect, Skorpska Gora dialect, Gora dialect, eastern group, Kumanovo dialect, Kratovo dialect, Kriva Palanka dialect, Ovce Pole dialect, western dialects, central group, Prilepitola dialect, Kichevo Poriche dialect, Skorpiovils dialect, western and northwestern group, upper Palog dialect, Reka dialect, Galiotosi Enika dialect, Dabar dialect, Drimkol Golobiardio dialect, Vevkani Radosta dialect, Struga dialect, Ora dialect, Upper Prespa dialect, Lower Prespa dialect, Eastern and Southern dialects, Eastern group, Tikves-Mariovo dialect, Stipstrumika dialect, Male Sevo-Piran dialect, Southwestern group, Nestrum Costana dialect, Korka dialect, Costa dialect, Southeastern group, Solon Voden dialect, Surdrama Lagadan Nevrokop dialect. Most linguists classify the dialects in the Piran region of Bulgaria and in the far east of Greek Macedonia as Bulgarian, and the dialects in the rest of Greece and in Republic of Macedonia as Macedonian. Variation in consonants. As far as consonantal features are concerned, the entire western region is distinguished from the east by loss of x and the loss of v in the intervocalic position. Lava equals la, lavi equals laj. The eastern region preserves x and intervocalic v. The east is also characterized by the development of a panthetic v before original o, where the west has a panthetic j. Eastern Virginia ln, but western ln. The diphonemic reflexes are most characteristic of the dialects of Greek Macedonia and Blagoevgrad province, Costa Korka and Orad Prespa. The Nevrokop dialects have a series of phonemically palatalized consonants. Variation in word stress and its effects on vowels. The Western dialects generally have fixed stress antepenultimate in the Republic of Macedonia and penultimate in Greece and Albania. The Eastern region, along with the neighboring Bulgarian dialects, has various non-fixed stress systems. In Lower Vardar and Sayers Nevrokop unstressed a are reduced to. The reduction of unstressed vowels is characteristic of East Bulgarian as opposed to West Bulgarian dialects, so these dialects are regarded by Bulgarian linguists as transitional between East and West Bulgarian.